Hello everyone. This video is about how to make your account private on Twitter. So before we jump into the process, I would like to request you kindly to subscribe to this channel. You can also go check out other videos concerning Twitter onto my homepage or onto my account. Thank you. So once you get onto the homepage, you can then tap the profile picture in the top left. Yeah, there you go. Then scroll all the way down, then tap settings and privacy. Yeah, then tap privacy and safety. Yeah, there you go. Then tap audience and tagging. Yeah, so once you get over here, you have to tap there so that you can turn blue, and where you see protect your tweets. Once it turns blue, that means now your Twitter account is now private. So for anybody to see your tweets, you need to approve that person. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time. You can also check out other videos onto the end screen right here. Yeah, I hope to see you next time.